Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up this package right here from Bear Son. They sent it to me as some of the knives go in that case over there, and he said he put some extra knives in here, so we'll see. We're going to see what it is, so can't wait to see what's in here. Really can't. Talk to Miss Ken on the phone. Hopefully my prototype for this year's knife show is in there. They said they're gonna get it done, so we'll see. Another thing, guys, is I also want to share with you that Deep South Cutlery is having a knife show April the 11th and 12th out there in Wiggins, Mississippi. Me and Mr. Bear Snipes, Mr. Sniper, is going to be going out there on the 10th. We're going to be staying all day on Friday and part of the day on Saturday. And we're going to be staying at Flint Creek Water Park. Flint Creek Water Park. It's got a 600-acre lake. It's got hiking trails. We're going to be staying in one of those cabins. Can't wait to share that with y'all. But it's just going to be a great time, guys. And I hope to see y'all there. If y'all come, y'all please be sure to look me up. I'll be around. I'll be looking at knives. I'll be talking to folks, and I love to meet y'all. So y'all come on down and we'll talk about some knives. So just want to thank y'all again, guys, for all the support. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for being here, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, here's the box right here, guys. We're fixing to open it up and put the contents on the table. Okay, guys, let's look at the small ones first. I don't think they sent my prototype. This right here. Whoa, it's got a black blade. Bear MGC. Check that out. That right there is a 97. Look at that. That's pretty bone right there. See that? It's very cool. Already see where it goes over there. We're gonna be putting them in the display case. And another one, look here. Look at that, Bear MGC. Look at that. Needs to be cleaned. Yeah, she needs to be cleaned up. Where does this one go? Huh, I don't know where that one goes. I think he just sent me some extra knives. Check that out. Whoa. That blade's coated right there, y'all. That is Bear MGC. I think that's a 2005 right there. Ain't that cool? That's awesome. That's two of the same kind of knife, but this one just needs to be wiped down and cleaned up some. This is another one right here. See that right there? That lock ain't wanting to come out. We might take this one apart and work on that lock right there because it ain't wanting to come out. Very cool. Yeah, these three are extra, and this one, actually, I see where it goes. It goes up in that top to the right. Let's see the... Oh, he might have sent the show knife. Let's see. Lock back. I don't know. Let's see. See what this one is. I think that one goes in the very bottom down there. That's pretty cool. Isn't that awesome? That's pretty wood. Yes, sir. big ones right here. Holy moly. Check that out. Man, that's pretty. Ain't it? That's very cool. Bear Son. Love that sheath right there. And let's see this one right here. Oh yeah, that's that sharp finger right there. Nice sheath. What this one is. That's that little lock back over in the far left. Very cool. Bear, that's a Bear. It says Bear MGC right there. But this got Bear Son right there. Might be dog. Ain't that cool? Let's see what this is. A little executive lockback. Oh, this might be the one up in the far left. Right here. I think it is. That one's down here near the bottom. Very cool. Yeah, they didn't send me my prototype. They said they're getting it together now. I haven't got no proof of artwork yet, so that might be the reason they didn't send it. They ain't got it together yet. But these are 3 extra knives that he sent. That one needs to be cleaned. That one, the lock don't work. The lock works on that one. This will be easy to take apart. Looks like the this is a little bit too long. Which all it is that screw there and that screw there, I think. And this probably snaps together down here. Okay guys, here it is right here. What makes this so special though, guys, I got that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, and that one from Mr. Ken himself, the owner of Bear Son Cutlery, which used to be a part owner of Bear MGC Cutlery. He also used to be the vice president of Case. How about that? But there's some more Bear Son knives I have up there. Ain't that cool? But still waiting on that prototype for the knife show, guys. They said they're going to get it out soon, so we'll see. We'll see. But very, very special here. I'm missing 3. 1, 2, and 3. I might have to be on the lookout for those. But very cool. The Bear and Son display is coming together. And again, guys, it's very special because Mr. Ken gave me several of them. Or I shouldn't say gave them to me. I had to buy them, but he gave me a great deal. And guys, I just got word, got pictures that someone is sending me this knife here. I'll be showing that to you as soon as it comes in, guys. But it's the same color as these. Love it. Still ain't been able to find that color for this one. I don't think they make those. I really don't. I haven't seen one. But anyway, that's going to be this is very special set right here because I got this last year at the Atlanta Blade Show. And it's very cool. I think I paid $75 for it because I paid $150 for 2 display cases. 1 case and one, and this one right here. This one has been really fun to feel. Okay guys, I forgot. I was supposed to do a big announcement for the video. But the big announcement is you do a comment, just make a comment down below and you'll be able to win this knife right here. It's a little Gerber. I'm fit to go over there and clean it up for one, and then put a new tip on it, put a leather lanyard back there, But it's a Gerber USA, made in Portland, Oregon. Ain't that cool? Well, that'd be a good little EDC knife. So all you gotta do is comment down below, and I'll be videoing me picking a random comment here in a few days, and it'll be probably sometime this weekend that you'll know who won this knife. Ain't that cool? But again, you'll be able to win this knife, and I'll show it to you as soon as I'm done. Okay guys, again I'm fixing to make that tip right there. See that? We're gonna clean that blade up. We're gonna clean the whole knife up, and we're gonna put a leather lanyard back there in the hole back there. Give me a good little knife, a little EDC knife. Just a quick note on this, guys. This is a fiber wheel. It's like an SOS pad. But if you get into the plastic, it will eat it up. Okay, just letting you know. So be careful when you're fooling with this fiber wheel, this grinder, and plastic on a knife handle. Okay guys, this is what I use to redo the tips. This is like a wore out, I'm telling you, it's wore out. It's 400 grit is what it was, but it's that's what I use to reshape the tips. And this again, I'm gonna be making a tip, and I'm just gonna come straight down to that middle point. I'm gonna come up just a little bit and then give it a new edge. It's gonna be cool. Okay guys, we're going to use some of this wax for the leather lanyard. Okay guys, here it is, the little Gerber, Portland, Oregon, made right here in the good old USA. Lock blade, there's that new point right here, there's that new edge. It's a good looking knife. It really locks good. Put a leather lanyard back there. The handle looks good, all cleaned up and refreshed. It's good and light, good and slim. Fits right in your pocket. Ain't that cool? But this is gonna go to one lucky person. All you do is make a comment down below and I'll be picking a random comment probably this weekend and sharing it with y'all. So, and you never know, it could be another knife involved. It could be 2, could be 3 knives I'm giving away. You never can tell. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Really glad the way that thing turned out. The point turned out good, the edge turned out good. It's a good looking knife. It's a good looking knife, it really is. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give another knife away. So y'all, I'm telling you, y'all make a comment down below. I'll be picking 2 random comments. The other knife is gonna be a mystery knife. So it's gonna be a good one too. Just wait and see. This is a good little knife too. Good little EDC right here. Ain't that cute? Little Gerber. I believe that's the smallest Gerber I've ever seen. The other ones I've seen are about this tall, about that long. But that's smaller than those. But this is really nice. It really is. I love this thing. I don't forget where I picked it up at. It could have come in a package. I don't know. But I'll be giving it away, guys, along with another knife. I can't wait to share that with y'all. And I'll be picking the winners sometime this weekend. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Well guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I just want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Whisper start, hey. Flea market's calling a treasure hunt today, hey, hey. With Antique Queen by his side. They search, they barter, take the ride. He's the knife doctor on a steel crusade, trucking with his lady and the deals they jade. Down the lane where rust meets fate, he sees a spark in the forgotten, ain't too late. A diamond in the rough, they say, till the knife doctor puffs the years away. Through the aisles and past the stands, his keen eye sweeps over the merchant's lands. Picks up a blade, its story untold. Edges dull, but the handle's gold. He squints his eyes, sees past the grime. Each knife he saves like stopping time. In every town, a tale of Jim. The hunt is on, no need to pretend.
Y'all got any knives or anything? Some pocket knives?